Bango 2.8 wezigidi abafundi esifundazweni iKwaZulu-Natal abebehlele emakhaya kusukela kwaqala ilockdown. Namhlanje babuyele ezikoleni. Owengamele zemfundo kulesifundazwe ukwazi Mshengu uvakashele ezinye izikole ukuyobheka ukuthi zikulungele yini ukwamukela abafundi.
We're happy to find that the school is really prepared to receive all the learners. All the PPEs as well as other COVID-19 essentials have been delivered to schools. The principal has confirmed that all the masks for learners from grade 8 to grade 12 have been delivered.
Empumalanga abazali bezingane zesikole letha kuthula primary banqoma ukusivala isikole ngenxa yokuthi asinawo amagumbi anele okwamukela abafundi. Abazali bathi amanye amagumbi athungela ngomlilo ngo-2008 kumanje akaze alungiswe.
Lokubangela ukuthi sivale isikolo inkinga ukuthi asinawo amaklasi, sina only 6 emaklasi and nekufuna accommodate 668 abantwana. Asikhoni ukuthi singabafaka lamaklasi noma esenda lama plans ayala vele.
Bathi uMnyango wezemfundo uma ungabasizi ngalutho bazoqhubeka bahlale emakhaya nezingane zabo.
Sitohlala nebantwana bethu emakhaya or else bathathe sibayise kuletinye izikole ngathi mhlambe idepartment yakhona ukuthi inakekele. Uma ngabe soloku so akukho lesingakwenda thina nyama.
Akuzange kuqale kahle ukufunda kwezinye izikole eLimpopo njengoba abanye abafundi baphindisela emakhaya ukuze bakwazi ukungena ngezinsuku ezahlukene.
When we arrived at the assembly, our principal told us to return home because of there were some distractions because he said that grade 8 and grade 10s should go home so that the grade 11s and grade 9s should be at school.
Owengamele ezemfundo eLimpopo uthi abafundi bakulungele ukubuyela ezikoleni.
We have shortages of classes and schools and also other things. That is why we adopted what we call the differentiated approach. So those who went home, it means they've opted for a rotational timetable, so they will come on other days there'll be other grades. But I'm happy that everybody's back at school.
Western Cape, esikoleni ilanga high kwamukelwa abafundi bakwa grade 9. Abafundi batshela ukuthi angeke bafunde namhlanje kodwa bafundiswe ngokuzinakekela nangendlela okufanele baziphathe ngayo kulesikhathi esinzima.
We are orientating them, giving them masks, giving them the new timetables and the new classes, and also orientating them about how to behave.
Free State abafundi besikole iFauna Primary babuyele esikoleni kodwa abazali bebebhikisha ngaphandle kwesikole bafuna kumiswe emsebenzini uthisha nhloko lesikole. Bakhala ngenkohlakalo kulesikole.
The school has a culture of corruption because the previous principal also exited the school because of corruption. And in the current principal, there is proof that the money that's supposed to be used for the school tuck shop is being used for personal use. We are also very concerned about the fact that all the grades are back at school, but 15 teachers have been laid off with no valid reason.
Uthi banabo ubufakazi ngakho konke okwenzakalayo esikoleni kodwa abantu bayasaba ukuphumela obala. Amaphoyisa khona kulesikole ukuyoqapha isimo.